I got so into it, and so like the lessons that I'm coming out of it, like it clicked that the dream that I had like 5 years ago was actually to be a property investor, but I didn't know it was property investor, you know? And so I came here with that validation.
I thought it was really informative, and it's just helped me to see that we'll be able to get a house one day, not just in 10 years, but maybe next year, or it just made it sound really achievable. And I'm quite excited to know that can happen soon.
Really informative, just lots of information to go and assess and, think out. Yeah, but really cool. She was really good. She makes it, it's practical, it's achievable, it's, secure future.
She's so down to earth, and you can relate to her as well.
I bought her book, I read her book,
Yeah.
and then decided to come to the workshop. Seen how you can really achieve buying a house here in Auckland.
Yeah.
And that's what I like that's the difference between her workshop and a lot of other webinars that I've done online is that it really is.
She helps you to remove the fear.
And I love the team of experts, just having met them and spoken to them, and you just know they're a bunch of smart cookies and they'd look after you.